I chose St. John the 23rd because I was looking for a high school with a strong Catholic identity.
Going into high school, especially as a freshman, I was absolutely scared. I thought that I wasn't going to fit in with any group. But coming into St. John 23rd, I noticed that they had a very welcoming environment, especially since they had the house system, which brings all the grades closer together and actually become a family.
St. John's house system is the first of its kind at any Catholic high school in Texas. It promotes school spirit, fellowship, spirituality, and academic achievement. The 5 houses of St. John the 23rd are the Aquinas House, Borromeo House, LeSue House, Loretto House, and Neary House.
My favorite part about St. John is the fact that you can join clubs and get involved in the school in many ways.
Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
I chose St. John the 23rd for the strong Catholic-based school. With Mass once a week, it's very nice and you can get in touch with God.
My favorite aspect of the school is the family feeling. Everyone is always supportive and we're always there for each other.
St. John the 23rd academically has helped me discover who and what kind of person I want to be in the future. It has made me explore my options to a very new level.
When I was looking for a high school to go to, I really wanted a school that was super welcoming and fun, and that's exactly what I found at St. John the 23rd. Everyone here is so kind, and the teachers really care about your education.
I needed a school that would provide me a house and a home for my life. St. John was that school.